Or are you shy this time?
No.
Are you take me to work? Or are you shy this time? What are you listening?
Here.
No, what are you listening?
Nothing. Silent.
What do you eat? What do you eat?
Fries banana.
What?
Banana fry.
Never heard that before.
Yeah, sure. Not the car behind you is way too close.
Oh, you said something. What do you want to talk about?
Nothing.
What do you mean nothing?
The fact that you're live right now.
Yeah, live. YouTube live. Here. Hey guys. YouTube live.
Oh.
Why are you shy this time? Why?
How many people watching? Oh my god.
Another day, another dollars, guy. Good to work. This is my homie.
Bro.
This is my homie. Take me to work. Alright, I'll tell YouTube audience. Say that if you guys like the video, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, like and share. You see that? Can you say that? Can you do that?
Why?
Why not?
I'm eating right now, bro.
Oh, traffic, guys. Oh, traffic. Traffic jam. She acts like this. Look at it. Look at here. Let's do like this. Do like this. Do. What does that mean?
I don't know. Peace.
You don't know?
I do.
You do. What is that?
Make peace.
This is okay. This is good. This one good. That means
I
good.
think everybody knows that.
Yeah, I know. Nice. Just making a YouTube video, guys. When I have time, I'm gonna go somewhere to make more videos.
Oh. No.
beautiful mountain. Nobody watching. Nobody watching. Why?
It's cringe.
Hmm?
Because nobody likes it.
Because no one likes it. Oh. Too much yawning, guys. I don't have enough sleep. I need more hours to sleep, guys.
Nobody needs to know that.
Alright guys, if you guys like our video, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, like and share anytime, okay guys? We're going to upload a new video in the coming future. So if you guys like our video channel, go to Ganyopo America, Ganyopo USA. Subscribe and hit the notification bell. And like, you can like anytime, you can share anytime. Alright guys, we'll see you next video, okay? You guys have a good day. Thank you so much guys. Alright, see you later guys.